We often hear the shops we work with tell us that quoting a part often involves bouncing around between several different systems. A lot of times, some of the most expensive tools are CAD authoring systems such as Autodesk or SolidWorks. And while these types of systems will always play a vital role within the shop, you may be able to reduce the number of seats your shop needs by taking advantage of the native part viewer in Paperless Parts. Our part viewer is built with the estimator in mind. Simply by uploading a model, the system can interrogate the geometry of a part and automatically surface key information to your estimators such as features, bounding box dimensions, and DFM warnings. This can help your junior estimators understand complex parts with ease, while helping senior estimators quote with greater speed and consistency. We support a wide range of file types, from standard step files to vendor specific formats. With paperless parts, your team will be able to quote as efficiently as ever. For more information, please visit paperlessparts.com or contact our sales team.